Monsoon season has come and so is the cough and cold. So here is an excellent remedy that you can do for your kid to relieve from cough and cold. In a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of ginger juice and a pinch of turmeric powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well, add a little bit of lemon juice in that. This mixture you can feed half to 1 teaspoon daily to your kid so that it combats the cough and cold and makes them healthy. If you need home remedies according to the age, then comment cough and cold, we'll send it to your inbox.